Okay guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be going over to my dad's. We're gonna have a big meal. We're probably gonna have some kind of one thing happen. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah. I wish I could pause it like that. We're ready to go. I'm sure I have everything. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Okay, wait, let's go. Cell phone lights. Okay. Just gonna quickly post Gatorade into my water bottle. Give me this one. Into the water. Now I'm gonna just go quickly outside. I just put my Gatorade in the fridge. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my shoes real quick. I'm gonna wait outside for my my brother and my mom. We're gonna go to my dad's. And yeah, I'll just be waiting outside. Whew. It's cold out. Cold out, but I'm wearing a winter jacket. It's not that cold out. Windy. Very, very windy. Okay. Hey, my mom probably left her door unlocked. Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Goodness. Okay, did you? Darn. Ooh, icicles. Dang, that one came off easily. Ooh, some on my grandpa's car. I'm gonna get off. Kiki. Ah, dang it. That's it. Okay, now let's kick off the icicles. The car was driven by. I don't know. Icicles. Yeah. Get back to you when I get maybe to my dad's or into the car. So yeah. See you then. It's too cold for me. Like always, it's still cold out. Like, darn. Jeez. Goodness gracious. Sticky go crack. Can I get an opening door? Yes, I can. Phew. Oh my God. It's so cold out right now. When Mom gets in the car, probably gonna stop. phone because she doesn't like to be on YouTube. I don't know why. It's just a weird thing. She could probably be like probably she can be like, you know, like some people do. Like, I don't know, like people see her that she knows, you know, like they can comment saying hi. So I just wish she would actually do that, because then she can also contact her friends on this. I can contact Birdie on this because I know that he's probably going to watch this video like 5 hours after it's uploaded. He's been texting me. Just don't want to really answer because I know he's going to get into a talk. Then I'm going to go to my dad's. Then he's going to be like, oh, you want to play Call of Duty Black Ops 3? Then I'm going to have to do a stream of that. I just don't feel like it. Well, I will do a stream. Like, it's on Live.me. If you want, you can go quickly get the download before I probably start, you know, live streaming. My thing will probably be Jaden M. Dermody, and yeah, I'll probably tell you the rest of the information and get to my dad's. My mom's about to get in the car. Well, I made it back to my dad's, but I'm probably gonna leave this video here. Bye. Thanks for watching.